yo, what's up?
And I think we should do that more often.
This is my addiction. So this is gonna be your addiction. So.
That's really good. Hi, thank you. Hello. First, we got this crispy rice. It's kind of like a grilled onigiri, open face, with tuna mayo. This is our pizza. It has like mushrooms and chopped arugula, I think.
It's cold. Ow, the hot.
That's like one of the best pizzas I've ever had.
3 out of 3. Good. Okay, 4 out of 4. Much better, good.
Oh yeah, the mochi butter. Oh my god.
Good, huh?
Oh my god.
It's not you, it's me.
It's the same old sound in the same old town. I wake up early with a sigh. The morning breaks to leave behind the night I need to get by.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
It's the same old sound for days to come. I close the blinds and carry on. I'm not afraid.
This is good tequila.
We had a full day driving around the whole island. We started at the farmers market and then decided to just like make our way towards North Shore. We tried to go to a beach, but there's just so many people out today. It's a
2
Sunday.
beaches. 3 beaches.
Yeah, we passed by quite a ton. We stopped by shopping area in North Shore where like Matsumoto's shaved ices, Malibu t-shirts. We ended up getting some like crystal stuff. Stopped by Alamona to do more shopping, and now we're having dinner at 5:30 because we're starving, didn't really have lunch. We ended up getting poke from Foodland. So this one is hamachi and this one's ahi, shoyu. And then Kenny got his favorite seaweed salad.
And Nika's rice.
So what we've been doing is buying poke by the pound at our favorite places, and then we just bought instant rice from Mitsuwa, and then heated it at the hotel microwave. Clink, clink. This one's good. Hamachi's good. This is the earliest we've been awake on this trip.
Out the door.
And out the door. But we're doing it for food.
A significant light, just where it was needed. Gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing.
Really good.
Faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. The swallows will be here by dawn.
Riley, never mind.
When we find a song
Watch out. Don't go too far. You're gonna fall again.
It is currently 2 p.m. We woke up and had breakfast with my friend Roxy.
And my friend Riley.
And his friend Riley, which is Roxy's daughter. We met online through Emma's Edition, Emma. And since I'm here in Hawaii, where she is at, we decided to meet up. Had a really great breakfast. It was honestly like such a perfect light meal. Like light as in like we've been eating so heavy these past few days, so it was so necessary. After that, we did some shopping at Costco and the mall again for some gifts to bring back home. And now it's 2 p.m. and we're hungry again. So we picked up poke from Foodland. This is the hamachi, which is my new favorite. Taco from Ono's, spicy salmon from Ono's, and wasabi salmon from Ono's, which is actually really good.
We'll always remember how we felt.
Yeah, you're right. But I flipped it back over. A wild Kenny in his natural habitat. It's our last morning here. So sad. We spent the morning wrapping up some packing, and then we shot by the pool. We didn't spend too much time at the pool like our whole trip. Got some lunch. We went next door to Duke's Lane to just grab some burgers. This 9-10 days went like so fast. I felt so relaxed the whole time. I'm not ready to go back to reality.
We're staying here. We're never leaving.
Goodbye, Hawaii. About to leave. We're on the airplane now, and one thing that we started to do on this trip, on our way and now going home, is that we started gifting some of our flight attendants $5 Starbucks gift cards. And we just gave one to one of the attendants that was helping put luggages away, and she was about to cry. She said out of the 11 years that she's been serving Hawaiian Airlines, this is the first time a customer gifted her something. And I think we should do that more often. Makes us happy seeing them so happy. They always get so excited. Even if it's just like $5, which is all I did.